Garima. I have quality of singing. I have quality of dancing. But my parents say, don't do nachaniya gawaniya. Okay. And my parents say, prepare for the government sector. My capability, my ability suppressed by my family. What about me? I am preparing for the lecturership. My quality, my sing. Where is my aspiration? Where is my own?
But think about the thing with that when you say it's mine, it's my job, it's my income, it's my job work, it's my everything. But that feeling is very, 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 very amazing. That cannot be expressed to you boys.
Very nice.
You are coming on a gender basis, like women's only afraid
No,
with the
lots of
chipmunks
people,
on the
but in the case of women's ratio are high.
Do you feel proud to be Indian? Yes. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. So, ladies and gentlemen, today you all have been welcomed from the core of lungs, not heart, actually, right? From the core of heart, you all have been welcomed by Arati, by Thali of Arati. You all have been welcomed. Are you happy?
Definitely, sir, we are so happy.
So today, very conservative topic we have decided to talk. We have opted one topic, that is actually, should girls do job after marriage or not? This is a bit orthodoxical thing, or this is very conservative thing, right, that we are going to talk about. In this 21st century, we should not even think about this topic, but it's still, I think, 60% people live in village where girls are not allowed to do job after marriage as well. I truly, appreciate these girls because they do more than jobs. They are able to do more than jobs. They are capable to do more than jobs. They are eligible to do more than jobs. They have capacity to do more than jobs. They have power to do more than jobs. But there are still some people, they want to pack them. They want to, they want to isolate them. They should do job for 8 hours and they should come back at your home. Dear you people, I just want to ask you first of all, why are you just merciless? Why are you just apathetic? Why are you not so kind for women? You should think better for women. Why do you want to make them just a job holder? So I just want you to share some of the things or the others. The time is yours. Who would like to?
First of all, very good morning to everyone.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry, sir.
It's okay. जब जाएगा तभी सवेरे है.
It's very good evening to everyone. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
And first of all, I'm very grateful, very thankful to you for granting me to be the part of this debate. And today I want to break the ice of the people. Today I
want to break the ice of people? What do you mean by that? You want to break the ice of the people?
Means I want to break the ice with my opinion. That is, should a girl do job after marriage or not? And it's a very personal choice. Personal choice with the girl, that if she want to do the job and
if she wants
to do job or not. And with due to respect to those women who stay at home, and it's completely her choice. But according to my personal opinion, I just want to say that if you are lady, you should be like lady not at your home only. You should be a lady at your workplace also. You should be.
Oh, very nice, yes.
Yes, sir.
Be enthusiastic.
Because your husband has given you surname,
yes,
not your kingdom. And
yes,
kingdom can only be created, yes, by your empowerment,
yes,
your independence, your lackness, which you are just putting make your lackness your power, your enthusiasm. Be confident, give achievement to yourself, give prior to yourself. You are not meant to only be
at home and
cook food. Yeah, it's a part of, but you, first of all, you need to take yourself. You need to give your prior, because our parents has given us a spiritual language, spiritual education. They have educated us. They has made capable not only to work at home, not
right,
do household work. We are meant to do something that is very, very important for ourselves. We are not the lady only to cook food, serve you and make you eat. not to make a men only give you priority. We also have this right.
Yes.
And we are always be there in that field.
I salute you. Good.
Definitely, sir. And yes, at lastly, only I want to say that I know many people will not agree my words, but yes, think about the thing that when you say it's mine, it's my job, it's my income, it's my job work, it's my everything. But that feeling is very, 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 very amazing. That cannot be expressed to you boys.
Very nice.
And this was my opinion. So I'm also a girl, I'm also a lady, and future I'll also be a woman. But I will never forget my dreams, my aspiration, and my dignity and my determination. I'm always be motivated. I will empower myself first. Because I will be selfish for myself.
Why, excuse me, why this frustration? Why are you so much frustrated?
Because, sir, since very ancient time, we girls have got only dominance.
Excuse
Yes, sir,
me.
only dominance.
And dear males have dominated.
Yes, sir. They have just given, made us like that we are nothing, but we are something. We just want to show you that just we have got this chance, and we are very, very. We will the first to make you believe that yes, we are something, not by words, with our words work.
Excuse me, yes.
And this was my opinion. People says that lady will go with an office and work in private sector. They will be harassed. Men, first of all, open your eyes.
Excuse me, am I?
Means like everybody, like open your eyes. If an accident happen, you will never pack yourself at home. You will be there. So like harassment is there. There are many types of things to save yourself. Like dominance, while domestic violence are also happening at home. Is not that a harassment? It is also a harassment, sir. Harassment is not done by only one word. There are many words for the word harassment. Just open your eyes and
Respect women.
Respect women and
Allow
be with the
women.
women.
Exactly.
Because you'll be also a part of women in your
Dear
future.
Neha, we have understood, whatever you wanted to say here. So you want to say that stop making a girl Nokarani of the house.
Yes, sir, definitely, sir.
We are able, we are eligible, we are capable to do anything, and our choice, our freedom, our dignity, we ourselves will take decision. You are none
Yes,
to
sir,
take our
definitely,
decision, right? I salute you. Excuse me, dear boys. Do you agree with this point? 100%? But don't disrespect a girl here.
No, sir, I respect that.
Dear tomboy, what do you want to say?
You say that you don't want to make a slave or don't want to make servant girls of home. Why you want to being a servant of some companies, government, and all the things? You think na, if you want to take
I
freedom,
got what you're trying to say. You're trying to say that if you will work in a company, you will be the
You will
servant.
also a servant,
You
na?
will be servant there. And what about your house, where you are making the women as a servant? Like,
okay, I am not discussing that point. That we are saying that their girls should not be servant of the house. Like
Okay.
you prefer that you want to become a servant of a company and are doing a job under the government sector, all the things.
See.
I am preferring that. I am saying that you should think better than job. Be an entrepreneur.
And according
be
to
a
you,
businessman.
okay.
Be businessman
Okay.
woman. Be a leadership, MLA, MLC, and
but
all the
is
things.
it possible that every girl out here can be a businessman?
Yeah, it's possible.
Is see-
Today's India, it is possible.
Okay.
Today's
Okay,
India it is
ठीक है.
possible.
Okay, fine.
There is a scheme.
But
There is a scheme.
there are so many exceptional cases, sir. Like if you want to, okay, I'm not not very making that you are wrong, but reaching that place of business, you have to get lot of stairs to go there. It's a step. You have to cross every
ma'am.
step
No,
there.
ma'am. You can start your business from your home, from your kitchen. From your kitchen. If you have ability to good food making, you can start your own YouTube channel and do business.
See, okay.
And go as well as.
But everybody
you
has
have
their own dreams and aspirations. Everybody has, like, I want to be an air hostess. I don't want to be a YouTuber. I don't want to be like a content creator.
No. So your decision. I'm not saying every girls have different aspiration. No?
Yeah,
If
definitely.
someone want to become a leader, so why you want to make them just doing a job under some person? Why? It's my point. Every person have own inspiration and on the.
Means like you are trying to say that doing a job is like doing a servant work. Okay.
It is.
Means-
8 hour doing job for some company.
Under somebody.
Under somebody.
But
For their benefit. For their.
wait,
Work for your benefits.
but like you are saying
Even
that
you
you can work like you have said that you can work from home. Like what kind of work you can do from
Work
home?
from home you can do. You have if you have ability to as a good food making ability.
so like
and
what?
you have the stitching quality.
But
if
do you
have-
think that this is really going to work?
Yeah.
It is.
It is.
Means
It
that-
is. The millions of you know.
But sir, who want to become some like if any girl want to become an army officer, like if she, yes, air hostess. So for her it is not a like you can said it is it's not a nokrani work. It's her dream aspiration. If someone wants to,
Someone truly said that fulfill your dream. Otherwise, somebody will hire you to fulfill his own dream.
So these are the person that type, no?
Yes, yes.
Somebody hire you.
Somebody will hire you to
I am
complete his
independent.
dream.
I am independent in decision making. I am independent to take leaves.
anybody wants to become army officer, so he's a servant.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sir, if he is serving as nation, then
I think the people are not understand the core theory of this issue.
so make us
they are all
understand.
people, they say servants are not servant. I am saying that grow yourself more than the job.
but you will grow when you.
For example, I want to give an example.
Okay.
I am Garima. I have quality of singing. I have quality of dancing. But my parents say don't do nachaniya gawaniya. Okay. And my parents say prepare for the government sector. My capability, my ability suppressed by my family. What about me? I am preparing for the lecturership. My quality, my singing. Where is my aspiration? Where is my own?
But sir, everybody don't have this kind of capability, sir.
Who prevent me? Who will prevent me? And now who is preventing me? My family, na? Doing job because it is safe. Parents don't know.
But sir, doing job makes you prepare for your upcoming tasks. You create your mind, your skill, thoughts, and everything. You're
Please,
preparing for
ma'am,
yourself.
presently, my will is not allow me to prepare for the government exam. My will is to become a good singer, but my situation that society created by society that you should do job government because
But
it is safe. Let me complete. As a lecturer, you are safe. What about my principal harass me? What will be? I am the beautiful, obviously. I am. Not now.
Acha, okay.
Not now, not now.
Okay.
In future, after applying many makeup, okay. In future.
Beautiful, yes.
No. See, in future, not presently. I am a student. I am not ignoring my health.
Okay.
All the things.
Okay.
But in future, I will be beautiful, and my principal, my manager harass me. If you are not doing,
Okay, by the fear of harassment, you will never do that thing again.
No.
Like
By
see,
fear,
like you are coming home to well talk. There are so many vehicles moving out, and with the fear that I'll got accident, you will not move out from your house.
Sorry, ma'am. Accident and harassment is both do.
But ladies, people in the house, are they not harassed? Are they not harassed
People in the
with their
house.
laws? With their laws, like they are also harassed. They are also abused. That is also a part of
By whom?
by the laws, like domestic violence.
Okay.
And if the lady is earning, the lady is very reputed girl in that family, and then she is not harassed. And when she is nothing, then I don't want to use that Hindi word. It is been said to her.
Please, ma'am. I wanted to clarify your view. Firstly, I wanted to just spust.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much,
No.
ma'am.
I am going to justify
Okay,
you.
yeah.
Bear my point.
Bear my point that earning money doesn't mean you are safe from harassment. Okay. Firstly, I wanted to give example. I am earning money by doing job government sector as a lecturership. If my husband thoughts is not good towards the girls and towards the women, obviously after marriage I will compromise with my husband point, and he will also harass me after earning money. But I will no, I wanted to marital life.
So what she's
If
saying,
I will.
I don't get.
You are not getting. Okay, so my point is that if you are a businesswoman,
Okay.
देखो, if you are a businesswoman, I want to say,
I love this message. Very nice.
if you are a businesswoman, your husband will not have courage to harass you. Because I am a businesswoman, I have capability to make decision. I have financial capability. I have own leaves. I have ability to take own leaves. मतलब छुट्टियाँ. Okay. Leaves, all the things. My husband will not going to harass me because he know I am a very powerful woman. If he doing that and do that, all the things, I'll just fire that person on the position of husband. Okay, जाओ divorce. Okay, this is the second point I wanted to say. Doing job under someone, just company, government, for example, Uttar Pradesh government. I am independent. I am doing job as a IPS officer. I wanted to take a decision for the welfare of the people. But government suppress me. You don't do this. This action should be. Okay. So what about my own will? But I am a social activist. Government will not suppress me because it's my NGO, it's my social activist activity. I will do what I want to do. Who is government? I don't want to your help. I can get fund from the USA. I can get from the United States. I can France. But my sky is open, ma'am. My sky is open. And no one suppress me, even government, even anyone person.
But see, you are saying that my sky is open,
Okay.
but the sky is not open for everybody. We have to open this sky,
Okay.
and it takes lot of time. Without having skill, knowledge, and everything, you cannot open this sky.
So doing
You
job,
have-
I'm not saying that in doing job you have not.
And
for
like
doing
you are saying that this, whatever you said, stretching work,
Stitching, food,
it took so much time. It will take lot of time to
ma'am,
get.
this time which take lots
Like
of time.
for example, I give Cav sir's example. He has not on the spot. He has not got today what he is. He means like
yes,
sir,
starting point
sir,
is take effort to
Sir, what
be
you
something.
when you come in Lucknow, when you came in Lucknow, was the life like today you have the life? So lot of struggles are there, and it requires lot of determination to come to that place. It requires lots of encouragement, lots of empowerment to yourself. Then you are coming to that position, and like you said now that you're doing someone's under job that benefits you. You are getting prepared for yourself for the big opportunity. You are preparing yourself. You're getting everything done. You're making everything. You ask that sky is open. You are opening your sky to
Okay,
get
okay.
the business.
Exactly. I mean, you
No.
see yourself.
I'm saying that lots of effort need for the being a businessman, women, and leadership, all the things. This effort has been done by the India. Now we are living in the digital India. Every girl have opportunity to do something. Now this phase is passed out. So talk about present situation. If you talk about the ancient times, there is no value, na sir.
I don't understand.
I am saying that.
No, I just want to clear one point here. Miss Garima, she wanted to say that to touch that sky, to fly high in sky, there's a big why. And it's you need to understand that it takes a lot of time. You wanted to say that. Like she gave my example, it took so much time and it took so much effort, right, to reach on this position. Yes, if a girl is if she is going to do anything, it will take so much time. She will need capital.
It's not created on the spot.
Exactly, it will take a lot of time until she will become old, maybe,
Sir,
right?
sir.
So
No.
it's a big task. It's a big deal, actually, right?
No, sir. Sir, big deal. It is big deal. I agree with your point. But, sir, if you do something by your own, which God gifted capability, okay. So, if something you are, for example, I am talking about you that you are a good, you have a determination, dedication for speaking, English speaking. Someone have a desire to become a good speaker, but it takes less time, sir.
It takes less.
It takes less time because he has hunger, na? He have hunger. But if you doing job, for example, me, if I am doing job under someone in the government sector as a lecturer, I am not give that performance that as I would give as a singer. Because my own quality is suppressed by someone. My point is that, sir. I am not saying if I have quality to become a leader. This is the most important, na? Due to society, created by society, doing job is the restricted my quality, na? This is my point. I'm not saying it take effort as you become leader.
Okay, Garima, I mean, thank you for having. Nice to have words with you. I would like to go to the next person here to know. Yes, it's all right. Hello, Miss Nisha, what do you want to say?
Doing business, it's not a small step. You need to take a just step by step effort doing that thing. And but you need to understand what is business and how it works. And you need to understand the business market and what's going on, how to handle a thing when some situation happen or created like that, how to deal with that things. I think that's why.
Very difficult for everyone.
Yeah, it is very difficult. Not everybody can just deal with that thing. So I think that doing job, it's good.
Safest side.
By
Government
earning
job.
that, you can just start a business. For doing business, you need a money. How can you just
Okay,
that,
let
directly
me
do
complete.
that?
मतलब firstly, you should doing a government job. So you have lots of you have an education. Firstly.
Yeah, I have.
Then you qualify your government job.
Yeah.
You have an education. You can create your business, your own business on your. You should create own type of.
After doing job, I can create. I can
And-
do business.
Can I give one point? Due to the job, sir. If you are business women, you are free for the taking leaves for your family, spend time with your family. This is the advantage of the being independent women as a family, as a leader, as a business woman, as a social activist. You make your decision.
I am getting what
But
you're
if-
saying
if-
that. But what's wrong in doing job? You can. It's not that. It's not like that.
it make you
Only
abandon-
girls have to just take care of their house. Why? I mean, just
why
their family member also can take care of that. Yeah. It is not our responsibility. We can hire caretaker also.
The emotion which I feel towards my child is not by the servant, na. This emotion is not felt by servant, sir. My emotion for my child is a very emotional things, na. If
Are
I'm
you
hiring
doing job?
direct-
You need to be present there. How can you just?
Good evening, dear panelists. This is me, Mohammad Rehan Khan. I am going to put my view on the topic of should girl do job or not after marriage. In my point of view, they should not job. And so how cheap your mentality? What do you think? Doing job, it is the only one way to provide freedom any girls. It is only one way to become independent. No, actually you are bonding the girls in this bondation. For example, if you are forcing them you should do job, it means they should go only for office, and after 8 hours they will return their home. It means they will become like a servant. What the means of job? Job means servant. Why not? Job Hindi meaning naukri. And what the means of naukri? Naukar. It means you are forcing. It means you are forcing the girls. You should become naukar. Any others? And someone talking about domestic violence. Why it happened? Domestic violence happened, what I think. If your wives are not matching your husband wives, that time it happens. And if any girls do job and they will return after, I think, at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, after working 8 hours, she will never ready for preparing for something. And she will refuse for doing homework. And that time, if her husband forcing to do and she refuse, and that time it happens domestic violence. And it will become day by day. We are trying to say that we should not forcing girls for doing job.
Nobody is forcing for doing.
Why not? You are only saying job. You should job.
Everybody has their own
Job.
opinion.
Sir,
For example, Mother Teresa, there are many leaders. For example, Sushma Swaraj, Draupadi Murmu. There are many leaders.
sir,
They never do any job. They are doing job. No, sir. They are serving our country. They are not doing job. They are
bro, 1 minute.
they are serving. They are not doing job.
But they take salary now.
They,
No, but job is
I think they are not doing job. Ask Mr. Kef, sir.
Okay.
Ask Mr. Kef, sir.
One minute,
He
sir.
never takes any experience from any other.
It is a desire. It is a desire.
1 minute,
It is my passion.
Yeah, of course.
Sir, you said girls should not do job. Okay. Who are you? Who are you decide girls do not should not job? Who are you?
Sir, I am not deciding that girls should girls should do job or not. You are deciding,
Why?
and you are telling girls do job, and we are trying to say girls do serve, not job.
girls is better than job. We are the support.
1 minute. You don't have money. How can you start a business? How? Are you 1 minute?
You know that
Money husband.
We have very less time. We will talk to you. Please sit down. I'm Pranjal Chaturvedi, and I'm here to opine my views on a topic of working girl. Yes, of course, girls should have to work. A girl who works, this sets the example in front of her kids with the confidence, with the strength to stand out in the field of, like, where the too much crowd. She sets the example in front of her kids, and she also contributes in a financial securities of her own house, of her own family member situations. And I know a woman in America. She was working in a marketing department, but the company lacks of the multiple employees during the company's loss. Then the company's main CEO, who launched her as a main CEO from the marketing department, but she's working as a worker in a company, right? But now she becomes a CEO, like the managing director of the company, to handle over all the losses. Now the company are profitable. So what's your thought on that? Like you told us, like a woman who starts her own business from her own house, then it's also a kind of situation where a woman who works under people like men, and she became a CEO to cover the overall losses. It's also the situation.
He told us, if a girl becomes CEO, but what about the struggle behind it? Most of girls record in I have record.
The company's main CEO who found her as a CEO, like she has a knowledge about the market. She has the knowledge about the condition where they were lacking her own customers, his own customers. So she has the knowledge about that.
But-
Then the company founds her as a CEO
But
to
I told you.
execute the main commands.
Yeah. That's why I told you. If
Yeah.
women become a businesswoman,
Yeah.
so they are only.
I'm not saying she was the businesswoman. I'm saying she was a working in a company.
She
Now
was-
she becomes as a
Yeah.
leader of the company.
But what about the struggle behind it? If anyone girl do not have to directly become a CEO. Firstly, they become like a trainee. After that, they become an assistant, an associate, and manager. After that, they become CEO. But what about the struggle behind it? Some girls in this era, lots of cases harassment happened in private sector, especially in corporate sector. If women want to promotion, let me complete.
Yeah.
If women want to promotion, they are like buttering to their manager, their CEO, like, yeah, sir, you give me a chance to promote my position, and yeah, sir, you told me I have to do anything, lots of.
I think-
that things a manager want to.
I think you don't saw news channels. I think you don't visit our news channels. Last day,
sir,
a girl
you
from the
go-
Lulu Mall,
you-
she was extorted by a person who sexually abusing her, extorting her. She fights back.
So
She fights back against extortion.
No. That thing happened in a private sector.
Yeah, it is also a private sector.
So
It is
in
also
Lulu
a
Mall,
private
in
sector.
Lulu Mall.
Yeah, of course. There is so many situations where the girls fight
But
back.
that one
according to
girl.
these situations.
Yeah, I agree with you. But that one girl, they are bold-hearted. But no, what about all?
Yeah,
What about all? Who? No. Who are chicken haters? Who chicken haters from the cockroach? If someone saw cockroach, mori maiya.
So it's not implementing for the only girls. It's for the both genders. Men's also scared with the cockroach, with the chipkalis. Even I am also scared, afraid with the chipkalis.
But why you want to become let her doing a job?
No. It's for the you are coming on a gender basis. Like women's only afraid with the
Lots of
chipkalis
people,
of the
but
cockroach.
in the case of women's ratio are high. In that case, women
No,
ratio
my
are high.
ratio is too high.
No.
Yeah, of course, I'm afraid with the chipkalis, with the cats.
Yes, you may be,
Even I'm
but
scared
not
with the
I.
lizard.
You may be, but not I, sir.
He needs to get up the checkup,
Yes, sir. Yeah, maybe you,
But you are going on a gender basis. It's not only for the girls, like she is a chicken hearted, she is a bold hearted. It's not only for the
You are
girls.
chicken hearted.
No, I'm not chicken hearted.
So why you said about I am afraid?
I'm afraid with the lizards.
But no, sir, I have more point. I express.
Okay.